Joining Prettl Group has been a challenging adventure for me, personally and professionally. I always enjoy the freedom to execute, freedom to grow, but especially freedom to dream. To dream about how far we can go as business and as a team. This journey has been a great success story, inviting new customers to join us with new markets such as automotive, home appliance, specialized industrial products, and now aerospace. Prettl Electronics Aerospace will follow the same success story, full of challenges and surprises. The same formula, great people with great technique and a big dream. To be market leader where we serve, providing specialized services and becoming a true and an irreplaceable partner for our customers. Prettl legacy is quite simple and at the same time quite complex. Our legacy is to dream big, with perfect execution for our customers, supported by great people, our people. We invite you to join Prettl family, to dream with us, to dream big.